Apple. We wanted somebody to remember. Skootr is a very catchy name, and we are all connected from childhood with Skootr. So Skootr is the base brand, and then if you were to give an access of a 1 week access to some office, so we'll give you a cycle pass. Then if it is a 1 month pass, then we will give you some other pass. Then if it is 6 months pass, we'll give you a truck pass or a bus pass, something like this. I mean something. So we have got a lot of brokers today, channel partners where they bring in business. I mean, so our major business is done by all international property consultants like JLL, CBRE, Cushman. So there are fortune companies available around the globe. So this is how we get the business. Brand does not open in a tier B city. Tier A city is the major preferences. So we would prefer Bombay, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, all these major metros, where we are already present. We'll be expanding there only.